Friends, today we are going to learn a magic formula of Microsoft Excel. In this, we will learn how to do hours of work in a minute. Here we have two data files. One is GDP and second is populations. If I want the country population in front of the country name in the GDP file, if we do it one by one, we have to copy from another file and paste in GDP file, which will be very difficult in and time consuming. Guys, I think if you have a big data and this will take many hours, while with the help of VLOOKUP formula, we can do it in a minutes. In this file, column D, country names, and column G is the country population. Now we will put the VLOOKUP formula here in front of country name is equals to VLOOKUP select the country, comma, and select the range from where we want the number of population, comma 4 is reference, comma 0, bracket close, enter. You can see it works within a second. And copy, then paste, and hopefully with the help of this formula your life will become easier. Hope you like it and try a lot of practice to become an expert. Thank you very much.